Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vertex to two intersecting edges inside Blender 5.0. Let's go ahead and take a look at an example here. I'll select my object and go into edit mode using tab. And right now we're on vertex select. If we take a look here, we have a vertex here, a vertex on the top and on the bottom. Clearly these two edges are intersecting, but there's no vertex here in the middle. If you want to add a vertex to any two intersecting edges, let's go to edge select. Let's select this one and this one. Let's say we use the knife tool and hold control, knife tool, control. It doesn't snap into that because it doesn't recognize it. In order to add a vertex here, we need to go back to preferences. Let's go to edit, preferences, and we have to add one tool. Go to get extensions. It's going to be called TinyCAD. Go ahead and select install. Under add-ons, it should be enabled. TinyCAD mesh tools. Now if we go back here, we're still in edit mode. Let's go ahead and select these two edges, right click, and now we have the TinyCAD menu up here. And we want to select the other one, VTX auto. Now if we go to vertex select, we've added a vertex right here on these intersections. To see that here on these that have faces, we want to go into two edge select, or we could click up here. Select this first edge, shift, select the second edge, right click, TinyCAD VTX auto. Now we go to one and it added a vertex. Now the faces do disappear. You would have to reselect whatever vertices you want to face and click F to recreate the faces again. Now this one needs a mesh cleanup, F3, merge cleanup, 4 vertices removed. And now you could create faces on any of your selection. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.